with TT. Today is a different day. Happy holidays. We're getting closer and closer to the holidays. So happy holidays to everyone. Please, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we're doing something different. We're doing something special today. This is what I got. Yes, I know y'all see what y'all see, and it is just, and if you know, you know. What I did get, well, actually my daughter got for me. I didn't even know that these things exist, but I got a variety of scratch off, from the machine in the grocery store, that big box, and you pick which one by yourself without going to the customer service. That's what I got. My daughter got for me. Super sweet, right? So we got a variety. I'm gonna let y'all know what we got. We got fish and chips, the $1. We got hot sevens. We got charge up. We got boom. We got cash plus, and with a second chance. We got Mega Money, 28th edition. We got the 3 times the cash, the 12th edition. We got Cash Doubler. Yes, we did. We got Cash Doubler. We got 20,000 a year for life. We got 5 times the money. We got 50,000 cash blast, and of course, one and only, the true, my favorite, money bags. And we have a second chance with this one. So yeah, we got a variety of scratch offs to do. And like I said, welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment, and let me know if you played any of these games. And y'all know which one is my favorite. Always the last is always the best. So we're gonna save the money bags for last. Okay. Happy holidays. I know it's getting time to where everyone is visiting people. Please be safe. Please be kind. Please be caring. Please be giving. I know it's a time that everyone kind of like just stay in their own lane, stay inside, stay by themselves. Please check on everyone. All right, so we're gonna get in on the game. Yes. We're gonna put prayers out there, and we're gonna be doing fish and chips. Pretty much your winning numbers, you just have to match it with your numbers. So we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, let me read the direction. Play instruction: match any of your numbers to either the winning numbers, win prize shown below your matching numbers. All right, so let's get in on it. So we got a 11, all right, and we got a 4. And the winning number is 13, 9, 14, 15, and 12. So nothing there. All right, let's get in on it. All right, next one is going to be the hot sevens. If you get 4 sevens, you win 1,777, which y'all know. 7 is my lucky number. And 3 sevens, you win 107.7. 2 sevens, you win $17, and 1 7, you win $7. So let's get scratching. Scratch the entire play area, reveal 3 like prize symbols, win that prize, reveal 1 or more 7 symbols, win corresponding prize in the prize legend. All right, so let's go. Let's see what we win. We have $1, we have $5, we have $2, we have $17, we have $17, and we have $177. So no, we didn't win anything here. All right, let's do charge up. All right, charge up bonus reveals 1 charge symbols win $10. Reveal 2 charge up symbols win $25. Reveal 3 charge up symbols win $50. So let's see what we win. All right, let's do the charge up bonus. Let's try again. Try again. No bonus. No bonus. Good try. Okay? Okay. Alright, so let's do 41, 29, 37. Winner 18, 49, 30, 47, 14, 35, 2, 1, 26, 43, 27, 28, 46, 24, 39, 17, 13, 42, nothing, 33, 04, 45, nothing, 6, 36, 23, nothing, 48, 19, 11, nothing here. We didn't get no charge up. All right, let's do boom. All right, so boom is win up to $10,000. It's matching your winning numbers to your numbers. Match any of your numbers to either of the winning numbers. Win prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal a 2-time symbol when double the prize shown below that symbol. Reveal a 5-time symbol when 5 times the prize shown below the symbol. Reveal a 10-time symbol when 10 times the prize shown below the symbol. All right, that's fairly simple. All right, so we have an 8 for the winning number and a 17. So let's see, what is our number? It's an 18, 19, 12, 6. Sorry about this. All right, let's use this one. 16, 11, 25, 01, 7, and 3. Nothing here. On boom. All right. So let's do Cash Plus. That's a $5 ticket, and we do have a second chance with that one. Cash Plus symbol wins more cash. Win up to $50,000. Let's read the directions. All right, play instructions. Match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers when prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal a plus symbol when the prize shown plus $10. Reveal a 2 plus symbol when prize shown plus $20. All right, let's see our luck here. We have a 27, we have a 25, we have a 7, we have a 9, and we have a 16. All right, we're gonna match it, and let's see if we have any matches. 11, 22, 30, 13, 14, 3, 19, 1, 28, 29, 6, 32, 8, 35, and 21. Fortunately, no luck here, and that was Cash Plus with a second chance. So we're gonna put this in for the second chance. All right, let's do Mega Money. Mega Money is the 28th edition. Let's read the instructions. Match any of your numbers to either the winning numbers when prize shown below the matching numbers. Reveal a win symbol when prize shown below that symbol. Reveal a 2-time symbol when double the prize shown below the symbol. Bonus number, match the bonus number to either of the winning numbers when prize shown below matching bonus numbers. Pretty simple. All right, so let's see. Our bonus number is going to be 29. And And then we're going to be scratching the winning numbers, which is 18 and 17. So we're looking for 18 and 17. Oh, and I do have two of these tickets. So let's see. Oh, we do have the 18. Let's see how much we won. We won $2. Cute. That's 7. No. 25. 14. 19. 24. 28. 15. And 9. So we actually won $2. Pretty lucky for this game. All right, so we won $2. We'll put that in the lucky pile. So we do have another one that we're gonna be scratching off, and I do thank my daughter very much for getting me these different varieties of tickets, because most of these are my favorite. So let's see what we're gonna be winning. If you know, you know. All right, so the bonus number is 23. This is 16. This is 7. So these are the numbers we're looking for. We have an 18. We have a 3, a 13, 17, 19, 11, 21, 28, 1, and 9. So no, we didn't win anything here. All right, so we're on to the next. We're gonna be doing 3 times the cash. This is the 12th edition. It's pretty much match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers when prize shown below. Your matching numbers reveal a 3 times symbol when 3 times the prize shown below the symbol. So it's just matching the numbers. Let's see, we have a 1, a 19, a 13, and a 14. So we have 22, 8, 2, 25, 15, 27, 20, 24, 16, 4, 10, 5, 28, 26, and 7. So no luck here on the 3 times the cash. All right, so now we're gonna be doing cash doubler. And please let me know if you guys ever played any of these games. Did you like it? Did you dislike it? Did you win? Let me know, let me know. All right, so this is cash doubler, and I hope everyone's doing good out there. And let me know where you're from. I have 29 and 27. This is a $2 ticket. And you could win up to $10,000 on this ticket. We have a 6, a 19, a 26, 14, 13, 16, 28, 22, 23, and 21. Nothing here. And this was cash doubler. Nothing here. All right. So we're doing 20,000 a year for life. This was a $2 ticket, and it's the 2nd edition. And let's read the instructions. This is match any of your numbers to either of the winning numbers when prize shown below. Your matching numbers reveal a star symbol when prize shown below that symbol. Reveal a win for life symbol. Don't we all wish, right? Win 20,000 a year for life. All right, let's see what the number is. This is my winning number. It's 27 and 12. Okay, we got the 27. We won $2. We got another 27. We won $2. We got an 18. We got another 27. We won that $2. We got a 30. We got 11. We got a 16. And we got 27. We got $2 again. Okay. I told you those 7s are lucky. And we got a 22. So we did win. We did win 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We won $10 on 20,000 a year for life on the second edition. So that was lucky. And then it was luck with the 7s, because I told you my lucky number is 7, and we won it with the 7, which is 27. All right, so that's going in the lucky pile. So we have another 20,000 a year for life. And we're going to be scratching the winning number, which is 21 and 29. And we got a 14. We got a 23. We got a 7. We got a 6. We got a 28. We got a 20. We got a 17. We got a 22. We got a 13. And we got a 30. So we didn't get no luck here. And this was 20,000 a year for life. And it was a $2 one, but no luck. All right, let's get on to the 5 times the money. This is the 18th edition, and you have 15 chances to win. And you could win up to $50,000. So we got a 27, a 28, a 22, 19, and we have a 6. So let's see what our number is. We got a 23, a 16, a 30, we got a 1, a 12, we got an 8, 14, 27. Oh, we got a 27 up here too. So let's see how much we won. We won $10. We got a 6. Let's see how much we won. We won $10. We got a 29. We got a 4. We got a 21. And we got a 26. And we got a 17. So we did win. So let's scratch this. And we did win with the 5 times the money. We did win 10, 20. We won $20 here. All right. We'll put that in the lucky pile. All right. So now we have a 50,000 cash blast. Woohoo. All right, and these are extra bonuses where you can win an extra 25, extra 50, extra 75, or extra 100. And I will be reading the directions. It's match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win prize shown below. Your matching numbers reveal a 3 times symbol when 3 times the prize shown below that symbol. All right, so this is going to be the numbers that you're going to be looking for in your numbers, which is 33, 30, 24, 04. This is 27. Please, if you're returning, please like, share, comment. Let me know if you played any of these games. If you are an already existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to your girl Gamble with TT. And we're going on to the next number, which is 09, 22, 11, 7, 16, 35, 19, 1, 2, 32, 8, 14, and 12. Nothing here. So let's scratch for the extra bonus, which is for the 25. Let's see. That's a safe. No. Crown. No. Cherry. No. And a pot of gold. No. But we did try. Because if you won, you would have got like a symbol that looks like the money bag, which is like that. But we didn't get that, but that's okay because we still have one more to go. which this is my ultimate favorite, which is the money bags. You can win up to 50,000. And one thing I like about this game, you do have a second chance. So if you don't win in this one, you do have a second chance to win. All right. Okay. Make sure. All right, so let's go. All right, this is a bonus, no bonus. We gotta reveal a prize amount in the bonus spot to win. And with the money bag, match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers when prize shown below. Your matching numbers reveal a win symbol, and when shown below that symbol, reveal a 3-time symbol when 3 times the prize shown below the symbol. All right, so let's go to your winning numbers. These are the numbers you will be looking for down below. So we have a 17, 42, 16, 34, 29. All right, and we got a 4. We got a 15, we got a 24, we got a 3, we got a 26, we got a 39, we got a 42, that's how much we won, $5, we got a 30, we got a 44, we got a 9, we got a 32, we got a 25, we got an 11, we got a 38, we got a 28, we got a 6, we got a 33, we got an 8, we got a 21, and we got a 35. And we're gonna scratch this because we did win. We did win $5. So that's gonna go in our pile of winners. And then I do thank my daughter for getting me these different types of scratch off in the box at the supermarket. Just making sure that, you know, sometimes there's 2 that's together and you don't know. All right, but we did do our scratching for today. I do thank you guys for tuning in, and please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Until next time, you have a great rest of your day, and this is Gamble with TT.